Problem set 3, Monica Murphy, group 6. So question 4 says using the above data in number 2, calculate the following measures. So just to bring in some data from question 2, remember incidence and exposed is 23 per 1,000. Incidence and unexposed is 18 per 1,000. We're also asked to find out the risk difference, which is incidence and exposed minus incidence and unexposed. So the risk difference here is 23 per 1,000 minus 18 per 1,000. So we get 5 people per 1,000 is the risk difference. And we're asked to interpret that difference. So if we could eliminate the exposure of sugar-sweetened beverages, 5 per 1,000 people would not develop coronary heart disease. And then the etiologic fraction percentage is the incidence in exposed minus incidence in unexposed divided by incidence in exposed, and then we multiply that by 100, giving us 21.7%. And interpreting this fraction percentage, 21.7% of CHD cases would be eliminated if there were no exposure to sugar-sweetened beverages.